Document templates in ShareFile are ready-to-use blueprints for different repeatable documents, such as agreements, invoices, and proposals. They can simplify and speed up the document process where you need to use the same or similar documents repeatedly. Manually creating these documents each time not only can be time-consuming, but can also introduce human error, such as missing fields, data, or recipients. There are 5 ways to create a document template in ShareFile, depending on where you want to kick off the template creation. Let's start by creating a template for engagement letters that can standardize the process of onboarding new clients. We'll start by navigating to the Templates library. Select Create and from the drop-down and choose Document Template. The Create Template screen is displayed. A document template in ShareFile consists of 3 primary components: files, roles, and variables. Files is the file that will be used for the template. I will upload it from my computer here, but you can also upload any file from ShareFile. Each role represents a stakeholder or a party involved in the document signature process. In case of multiple roles, you can set a signing order. In our case, it'll only be the client. You can use variables to automatically paste data from ShareFile and third-party applications like Salesforce into documents. In our example, my client data is stored on Salesforce, which I'd like to include in my engagement letter. Let's start placing fields now. When adding fields, make sure you choose the right role for the field using the drop-down menu. All the fields associated with a role will be assigned to the signer associated with that role. Let's review our template and save it. Document templates are displayed in the Templates library. You can easily share this template with other team members so that they can reuse it. This can help drive standardized and consistent documents across the firm. You can send a template for signature in 3 simple steps. In the first step, enter the name and email ID of the client. As you can see, Salesforce Lead is the variable in this template. Make sure you choose the value for Salesforce Lead that corresponds to the recipient of this signature request. In the second step, you can review the autofill data from the Salesforce integration. In the final step, you can customize the name of the signature request. It's also a good practice to include a comment for the signers explaining what the signature request is about and what's expected of them. You can specify where to store the signed document in ShareFile. You can add security options like KBA and passcode, and you can also set an expiration date for the signature request. On clicking Send Signature Request, an email notification will be sent to the client to review and sign the signature request. You can track the signature request status in the Signature section in ShareFile. And that's it. You successfully created and sent a document template for signature using ShareFile.